Yo, YouTube, how's it going, guys? In this video, you're gonna learn how I saved $100 on my last trip using an Airbnb promo code that I found for new and existing members. Now, this is my second time redeeming an Airbnb code, and I was able to do this right from my phone and save some money on a cabin that I booked for 2 nights next to a lake. I'll explain some more of the details here shortly, so keep watching this video if you're interested in learning how I did it. Alright, so here's what I have in my checkout. I added a 2-night stay for me and my family that was originally gonna cost me $641, but after applying the Airbnb discount code, I'm gonna be able to book it for only $541.92. Now, as you can see right here, the promo code is supplied by Field the Deals. That's where I found it, and they're giving me 100 credit towards my order. The promo code should work fine as long as Field the Deals keeps the promotion running. I wanted to make sure this worked for any stay, so before I recorded the video, I added other Airbnb locations to the checkout, and the coupon worked for each of them and applied to them all. You can check out the description of this video for more information on how to go about doing this. I'll drop the full YouTube video tutorial there so you can watch it step by step. And all you're gonna need for this, guys, is obviously an iPhone or an Android, and make sure you have a Wi-Fi connection. But yeah, Field the Deals is a coupon page, but it's a different one, not like the ones that you see on Google where they only give you like $5 or it only works if you're a new user. It won't cost you anything. It'll just be a little bit of your time, probably 5 to 10 minutes out of your day, but it's worth it when you're saving on your purchase. So yeah, just check the description for the full tutorial. All you want to do is follow along. It should be pretty easy. I was able to do the process fast when I did it earlier. You literally just type in the brand that you're after in the search bar. You click on it. It'll have some little details about Airbnb and some savings tips. Then you just scroll down to the coupons and deals section, and that's where you reveal the discount. You just press the show coupon code. It's got these little hashes, meaning that the code is locked, but that's completely fine. Don't worry, you'll unlock it following the steps in my tutorial. The process is super simple. It's just some sponsor apps. You help their app ratings, which in turn gets them better rankings in the Google Play Store or App Store. And because of doing this, it boosts their apps so more people find them. And then they potentially earn more through their in-app purchases. So that's how they're able to give these discounts out. It's literally that easy, doesn't take too long, and it gets you a completely working Airbnb promo code. But yeah, after those sponsor apps are completed, the promo code will be available, and the promo code only works once. You can't use the code that you see in this video since I'm gonna be using it. So basically, when you unlock yours, you just go ahead and copy the code and use it on Airbnb and redeem it for a credit of $100. And you can do it as many times as you want, but you have to do different sponsor apps. You can't just do the same ones over and over or it won't register with the site. But trust me, there are plenty to choose from. It's literally just some games tutorials that you have to complete. I was able to get them done within 10 minutes, so the process doesn't take long at all. Anyway, if you want to get a code for yourself, check out the description below to watch the full YouTube video. It'll show you step by step on how to get a code for yourself. And if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. See ya.